Yeah, man, this is what we're making in one day, man. 5 hours of trading. 5 hours of trading. This is what happened in 5 hours of trading. Incredible, man. Incredible, man. This is incredible. Imagine 5 hours of trading. I've never seen someone making this type of figures 5 hours a day just trading Forex. Yeah, man. People might think this type of result is impossible. But I said, man, this type of result is possible, man. It's very possible. It only depends on how you see Forex and how you do your trading, or what type of Forex do you trade. That is what makes this possible. You know, as you can see, it's live, man. It's live and it's real. It's live and real, live in our front. There's nothing to hide. That is it. In solid 5 hours, making this type of result. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let me show you something. To see that what I'm saying is real and true. When you look at the lot size taken, let me shift it down for you to see, because these are the lot size we're talking about. This is the lot size that is making that type of money. You see, it's 100, 100. These are the lot size making that type of money. Because I've been used to this type of lot size, man, and I know how to manage my trades. Let me click it. You know that this is real account, okay? Because I don't want people to think that maybe this is demo or this is what. But when you look at it, you see it's real. Okay, it's real. That's why I'm proving it. Like whatever I do, I just like to be always transparent, that people must see that everything I do is real and proven. You understand? Because I don't believe in I don't believe in fake things. When you see in 5 hours of trading Forex, somebody making this type of money in 5 hours, man. 5 solid good hours. You know what I mean? And it's not good when you sit there and you feel like maybe this is impossible. This is impossible. This is impossible, you'll be thinking. But I'll tell you, this is possible. It only depends on something about what you're thinking in your mind, your mindset. Okay, your mindset is what matters a lot. When you think something is impossible, then it will never be possible. Okay. Let me show you something. When you see this lot size that I've taken here today, 5 hours ago, man, where is it? You can see it. 100, 100. 100 lot. And that shows what? That shows that, you see, before I ever take any trade in whatever I do, I know exactly where that trade is going to end before I ever take any action on any Forex trading. And this is why this type of figure, you see it. This is happening live in 5 hours. Live. Not fake. Live. All the analysis done. And as I can see, we're getting to the end of this trade very soon, right here. This trade might end up here. This is where we're going to end this trade. Once it touches this line, this thing you see on my chart automatically, this position automatically closed. Because that is where this moves. is going to end for today. But only for today, for 5 hours I've been trading, this is what I generate. You know. So one thing about Forex is for you to know the direction, know exactly where is the market going and where is it going to end. You know, by knowing where it's going to end, you're going to know where you're going to put your take profit. Your take profit matters a lot in Forex. That's why I said this trade is about to end for today. For today, it's about to end. And it's going to end right here. It's going to end. I know where it's going to end. It's still running, but I know it's going to end here for today. It might continue down from tomorrow, but for today, we're ending it up here. That is why my take profit level, let me show you my take profit. It's around that zone. Yeah, it's around that zone. So, what I want to show you is not to make this live video a long one. I want to know if anybody has a question I want you to ask me so I can answer you. Do I have any question? Anybody with any question? Like what we're saying is somebody make this type of figure within 5 hours of trading Forex. And I said everything about Forex is that you go get fear out of your mind and believe that everything is possible. That is it. So I'm not going to make this video a long one. Is there any question that somebody want me to answer? I believe I will answer your question. Look at the lot size once again. I love to be always transparent with everything. Look at 100. And it's a real account, man. It's real, for real account. Let me show you something. You see what I write? Real is not fake. And then within just 5 hours of trading, only 5 hours of trading, we get into this figure. Okay. And I said, this moves you see here is going to end very soon. I still know where it's going to end for today. As it's going down, we're getting closer to the end of this trade. And this trade we end, it's going to end right on this figure right here. It's going to end here today. And that is why you see my what? My take profit level is just right there. It's one thing to know about Forex, it's another thing to know where you put your take profit levels. Alright, so this is the end of this live show. If anybody has a question, please ask your question. I will answer you. If not, there's a link under this video that takes you to how you can contact me. You can use the link to contact me for any question. Okay. And you will see how it goes, man. You will begin to see the magic happening, man. You will see what is called the magic in Forex. Okay, which strategy are you using? Which strategy am I using? What strategy am I even using, man? What kind of strategy will I even say I'm using, you know? I just believe my strategy is just following, you know, following the price, and that's it. What I say is a price action. Yeah. I'm answering your question, my brother Katilgo Mokwena. That's my brother. Okay, the strategy I'm using for this trade is price action. I'm just following, just following the market direction because I know where it is going. So I'm following, you know. The way this figure you see now is in 5 hours, man. 5 hours making this, right? From the move I'm seeing right here, I know, this is a little pullback happening. And this moves is going to end up today. We're going to end this trade right here on this figure. We're ending it here today. And my take profit level is just around that level. You see, most forex trader will always have problem when they don't know where to put their take profit. Those type of traders should be able to draw support resistance line, because support resistance is very important to show you the end of the moves or where the market is going to turn around. Okay. Any other questions from you guys? Any other questions from you guys? You see a trader making this type of figure in just 5 hours of trading. So it's showing you, it says, see what I'm making in 5 hours. Okay. And now I think because of the pullback we got, we're going to close it and say bye-bye for today, man. Tomorrow, we're going to continue the same strategy, the same thing, but for the pullback, we're going to close it. Now, you can see me closing them. This is how to do Forex. Plan your trade and trade your plans. Then say bye-bye for the day when you're done. You see how I've closed everything? How I've closed everything. If I go to history. Okay, look at what I've made today. From the history of the plus and minus. Okay, I lost this trade yesterday. This I lost, but from what I did today, see what I won today, everything today, and this is what I made today, just one day. Okay, it's not possible that there will be no loss in Forex. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? These are the position taken from 516, 68, 68, 69, 69, 69, 69. You can see it. You can see one hit TP. You can see all other ones. I closed them along the way. Why did I close them? I closed them because I've seen that the price has gotten to exactly where it's going to end for today. So definitely, if this is the case, there's going to be a kind of pullback. And there's no need we make money in the market and still give the market back our money. This is not normal. When you know that price is going to turn around that place, get your money, get your profit out of that market, take your profit, leave the market alone, go and relax. If you want to trade the next day, if the moves continue, then you continue with the moves. This is price action. So does anybody has any question? One more time before I close for the day? Boom. No question, man. All right, since there's no question, guys, I gotta say thank you for coming and thank you for watching. And I think I'm gonna be signing off right now. All right, your boy is signing off, and thank you everybody that show up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, Carabello. Oh, that's my guy. That's my friend Gerard. That's my guy. EA link. No, this is not EA, okay, my brother. This is not EA. This is manual trading, okay? If you want any link or any question, use the link under this video to get to me. All right, I will answer any question you asking. This trade you see here now is not EA. All right, this is manual price action trading. Okay, but I got the EA. I'm gonna build it. Okay, I'm gonna build the EA very soon for this strategy. Okay, that this EA can trade automatic exactly the way I do it. You understand? Yeah, that EA, I'm building it very soon. All right, all right, all right. I'm building it very, 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 very soon. So, for you who wants to be on camera, does anybody want to be on my camera? So, for you guys that came late, so sorry that I got to close for today, man. You all saw me. You saw me when I closed a profit of over $2,000. That happened in 5 hours, man. Next time in our live video, we'll be bringing some people on the camera so that we will be doing some question and answer so we all can begin to see ourselves face to face. All right. For now, this market still continues to go down. All this one we do is to bend, to find its way to bend and go down, and we will have the final move. The final move we go down, and the final move we end up right on this figure here. It will end up right here. But in my own case, I've made my money. I've made my money for the day. There's no point. I give my money back to the market, man. So, guys, thank you and God bless, man. I got to go right now. Thank you, thank you. Use the link below the video to get to me. I will get back to you, bro. So, one love, guys. I sign out.